What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Amazon continues to trend higher and higher. Let's go over the reasons why. So there was this measure move target in place. This was one leg up, and a lot of times the market will make a symmetrical size leg up because of the volatility. So this is kind of like a volatility measurement tool. And you can see that if it happened in the past, it can happen again. And the bulls practically surpassed the measurement target at the 120 level. And then you can see the bears pulled back to it to retest it for support. Prices bounced up, and now we might see another retest of the 120 level because the market likes to do things in twos. So we saw one drop down. We should be expecting a second drop down fairly shortly, because you can see that prices are not able to surpass the previous high. It just surpassed it barely. In an uptrend, you want to see prices make higher highs, higher lows, surpassing the previous high by a large amount. So this one barely passed it. You can see there's some resistance now right on this 127 level. So there's a good chance we might see that second attempt lower, and we'll see if this 120 level will act as support or not. What's not going for it is that it looks like there's an overshoot of this channel. So you can see if I draw this channel, it was holding prices pretty nicely, then prices kind of overshot it. So we're a little overextended. We overshot the channel, which can lead to a reversal. So maybe if we don't find support at the 120 level, we could see a huge spike down, maybe kind of like a bear flag or whatever you want to call it, for prices to, reverse lower. So we could see something like this occur too. So because it's slightly likely we probably go lower now because the measurement target's met. The bulls aren't able to push past the previous high. We're overextended. We overshot the channel. So there's a lot of bearish signs on this chart, and anything bullish, maybe just drop down lower, might be overridden by all this bearish signs on the chart. So I'm looking for a pullback, at least probably to the 120 level, starting like probably soon, right now. And if that 120 level doesn't hold, meaning we just see a huge spike through it, we could start reversing lower. So that's how I'm looking at Amazon. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart. So Amazon started a nice rally off the previous 2020 lows. You can see if I mark it with the horizontal line, price pretty much did the same bounce up. However, the only difference is that the prevailing trend for this bounce up was a ranging pattern, versus this prevailing trend is a downtrend. So there's still reasons for price to go lower, because after a channel break, you expect two attempts lower in that same direction. So right now we haven't seen those two pushes yet. However, in the shorter term, meaning the smaller picture, you can see there was this orange downward channel, and prices did those two pushes lower. So this was one large push. Prices pull back, did the second large push, stop right at the 2020 lows, and now we are reversing. However, price action gets larger as time goes on. The structures get bigger. So all this could just be one channel, and we could still see, those two pushes down. So we'll see if that occurs. It's not guaranteed, but that is the expectation, that after a channel break, you expect two pushes in that direction. And also, it looks like there's an overshoot of this upward channel. Overshoots are climactic points, meaning they're either capitulation areas. So we could start to see a reversal. We have an overshoot, overextended from the EMA. EMA, the average price, a lot of times price will come back to it because it's the average. Since we are overextended, overshot the channel, and first break of this yellow channel, we could start seeing, aggressive selling. Maybe two large legs down, maybe just two small ones. Either way, a decent sized correction, maybe a 50% retracement back down to this level right over here at the 101, 103, the low 100s, because that was prior support that turned into resistance. Now it's acting as prior support once again. So that would be about a 50% retracement down. So maybe we see those two legs down there. These two legs failed to go any lower, and then we see another rally occur. Either way, I wouldn't be expecting prices to continue rally the way it is currently doing. That's unsustainable, very short-lived. So I'd be expecting a pullback anytime now, most likely to the 120 level. And if we see like a harsh drop, it could even drop all the way down to low 100s. So that's all I have for Amazon this week. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.